lunchtime. I want to show you what I have because I'm very happy about it. I had leftovers from dinner last night, and I made my family some chicken that has like an onion crunch to it. I don't know, I got this recipe from HelloFresh and I just reused it. I boiled some asparagus, and then we got some roasted potatoes. Today has been not a bad work day. The only thing that sucked was Instagram was down for like most of the morning. All you other PR girlies out there, influencer marketing people, we literally couldn't do our job. It forced me to do some other admin work, so let's dig into this chicken. Chicken. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been deep in my One Direction reflection stage because Niall's tour is coming up in a few months, and I'm just like re-obsessed, you know? And I'm not really mad about it. I mean, my love for him has never died. I definitely went into hibernation, you know? Now that his tour is coming up, it has awoken something inside me, and to be honest with you, it's like one of the only things that is making me happy. It is just like thinking about that I get to see him, reflecting on all my One Direction memories. It makes me happy, so fuck it. Like, I'm gonna bask in it. I've been trying my hardest not to watch any videos from his concerts. The only videos I've really watched is when he played Night Changes and Stockholm Syndrome. Also when he told the crowd to shut up, basically, because people were singing so loud during one of his like slow songs. He was like, guys, you gotta let me sing it, like, and that was funny. So it's like the only things I've let myself watch because I don't want to spoil the show. I don't want to spoil the show for myself. It's been very hard to hold myself back and not watch them, but I've been doing it. I've actually been watching one of his old interviews. My favorite album of his is the Heartbreak Weather album, and he did an interview talking about the whole album. So I've been listening to it because, as I said, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna finish my lunch, finish watching my interview. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, good morning. Hitting the gym, motherfucker. We're hitting the gym right now. What was I gonna say? And I don't think I have any meetings today, so that's really like getting me through my morning right now. I'm like, God, thank you. Hope y'all are having a great day. And if you aren't, that's okay. That happens. Okay. I don't know what the fuck that was. Oh, I haven't tried out my new running shoes yet because it's been raining literally all week and the ground is disgusting, and I'm like, okay, I don't want to ruin my white shoes the first week of me getting them, so I will report back when I do try them. My AirPods were dead, so I hope they're like alive now, because if not, this is gonna be really fucking horrible. Show me all that you are. Show me all that you are. Okay. You guys should be proud of me. I finally put the little sticky thing on the back of my phone. See, now I get good angles, like. Okay, so my room is literally a disaster right now. I don't really know what happened, and this is it's just giving me, I was gonna say anxiety, but that is so not true. It's making me mad. I just washed my sheets, so I gotta switch those out, put them in the dryer, and then wash my clothes. So I figured, let's film me cleaning up a little bit around my room because she's a fucking mess. And while I do that, I'm gonna play my vinyl, and I feel like that'll like really make me feel happy and excited to do this. So just got a package from Lululemon, so I wanted to open it with you guys. I talked in my last video about how I need new sports bras, so I've been on that. I've been on that sheet, and she's adorable. Look at the color. Obsessed. Oh my god, she's so cute. She's so cute. I love. I'm a little scared though. That might be a lot of cleavage. That might be like a lot. Poop. I saw this girl wear it in a video and she had like, you know, decent sized boobs and it didn't look like too much, you know? So I'm hoping that we might be okay. But like the color is adorable. If you're wondering, this is the Lululemon Align V-neck bra. Okay, update. I'm in the same spot. Working away here. Fun fact, I did end up returning the sports bra. I tried it on. Girl, I could wear that thing to the bar. Apparently you can't return final sale, which I didn't realize that things that are on sale on Lululemon are final sale. So I was like, yeah, no. We're returning it. One thing about me is like I will finesse a return. I will. So I messaged them and they were like, well, we don't do returns, but like we'll do it one-time thing, but they're giving me store credit. So basically girl math means that I just got a free gift card and we'll just use it on the next Lululemon thing that I want to get. Do you see the weather? It's been pouring all day. All day. It is downpouring right now. The groundhog do be lying because what's going on? But I guess April showers bring May flowers and April spring. So maybe he's right because it's raining. My family and I have been getting HelloFresh. So we've been able to like make those meals on some nights, but we decided not to get it this week, which was kind of the worst thing to do because we have literally no food in this house, like no food. So I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner tonight. I think my dad wants to go out, but like it is so shitty out, like I don't really want to leave the house. So like maybe like they can go out and I'll just like do my thing, you know? We'll see. Bye.
I'll talk to you guys later.
This little sticky thing on the back of my phone, I don't know why I waited that long to put it on. And it's been amazing. I was at the gym today. I stuck it right on the treadmill so that I didn't have to like look down when it was on an incline. I was watching a video, you know? So I stuck it right up there because like my neck and like, you know, I'm like maybe I have tech neck. That's what I'm thinking. I think I have tech neck, but anyways, and now I just stuck you on my laptop and it's the perfect height. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Anyways, good morning. You guys know the drill, so I don't even need to tell you what the heck's going on. So, yeah. Why did I just bite my banana like that? That was weird. Just got a package in the mail. As you can tell, I've been doing a lot of ordering. But I ordered a Honor Active sports bra off Poshmark because I went to their website and literally all of their stuff was sold out. Like every single collection that they had was sold out besides their newest one, and I honestly didn't like their newest one. So I was like, you know what? Let's go to Poshmark because I feel like people, especially like workout girlies, sell like a lot of their stuff on there, and it's usually stuff that's like brand new or like barely worn. And I found a really cute one. Hopefully it's as good as what it looked like in the photo, and hopefully it works. Because if it doesn't, there's no finessing a return with this, I don't think so. And you know, I'm not gonna really be like a bitch. You know, like this is a girl that sells her Poshmark shit. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah. Oh my god, no, this is literally brand new. Wait, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna love this. I I really like the style of this one because it was kind of like a halter, but it also, a strap in the back, in the center. So I feel like that'll really hold them up. I really like the scrunch in the middle. It comes with like removable pads. You can take them out. This looks really good. I'm gonna smell it. Nope, it doesn't smell like bad or sweaty. I'm gonna tell you one thing. It definitely smells better than my own stuff. So, nice. I put my Summer Fridays lip balm in my car. It's like my car lip balm. And I just opened it and it's literally like frozen. Like I can't get it to move up. So maybe this is not a good one to have when it's still cold out because it's that time again, guys. It's time to get my nails done. They look actually atrocious. I think I'm gonna go for like a light pink. I need to return the Lululemon thing, and that's at the post office, which is right near the nail salon. Let's go do that. Hey guys, I just got done. My nails look so cute. I'm obsessed with the little baby pink moment. Oh my god, like I feel like this color, like I picked it and it looks prettier than like, you know, like the little swatches they show you. Like I feel like they're just so old and like not accurate sometimes, but like this color is so cute. I think it was OPI and I don't know, it was like number 49 or something. So if you're wanting it. Today is actually like kind of nice out, like kind of warm. So I don't know how I'm wearing a sweatshirt right now, but I gotta get back to work. So not me like always using my lunch break on a Friday to go get my nails done. Like I feel like that's been what I've been doing, and I need to get back. As you tell, it is much later now. Finished up my work day. I actually had like a pretty big thing to do after I got back from my nail appointment. So I got that done. Oh, jeez. Okay. I don't know. That was my Stanley. Let's hope she didn't spill all over the floor. So now it's like 6:30. I am going to Rizzo's. So I have about, you know, an hour to go till I get there. I think we're going to go out to dinner. And then I don't really know what else we're going to do tonight. I don't think he's done with work yet. So, but I think by the time I get there, he will be done. Let's pray. And then, and then Rizzo texted me and he was like, do you want to come with me to the Knicks game Sunday? I got free tickets. Oh, you guys can't even see me. That's okay. I got free tickets from my work. I was like, yeah. So I'm pretty sure we're going to the Knicks game Sunday. That should be fun. I've actually never been to like a professional basketball game. So like, I'm kind of very excited about this. And the tickets are in like a suite. Like, how cool is that? Might as well just vlog the whole weekend. So I brought a Poppy with me for the road. I just hope that no one thinks I'm drinking a beer while I'm driving. It is Sunday and I am getting ready for the Knicks game, so I figured let's do it together. I'm not even gonna lie to you right now. I do not know. I don't know what happened. My stomach right now is unhinged. That's all I'm gonna say. So just please pray for me that. Why does this look greasy? God damn it. So please just pray for me that whatever it is passes and we're okay because I cannot be having problems today. Good news is I have a few hours to go. So, you know, we have some time for it to, you know, relax. But I really don't know what happened. I didn't eat anything out of the ordinary. I think I showed you guys earlier. I was picking out my outfit. I returned the stuff I got from Princess Polly and I got them in different sizes. Wait, yeah, I think I told you that. So I'm gonna be wearing both of those tonight. Okay, you guys have seen me do my hair, so we're just gonna like speed up. Okay, we are dressed. I'm not wearing any of the right colors, but I feel like all black is the way to go. You can't even see my full outfit. This is the outfit with these booties. This top is just like a little tank top from Target, and then this little bolero, I think is what they call them, from Lulu's. Am I probably overdressed? Yes, but like I always am, so I don't really give a shit. Like, this is what I like to wear. For perfume, we're gonna do YSL Black Opium for sure. Perfume of the night. Yeah.